Right. So you imported a 30-year-old Japanese truck, and some things aren't working like they're supposed to, which is unheard of, I know. But today we got a window. I don't know what you call the manual window. It's not a regulator. It's just the crank. If you can hear that grinding, it's because what's left of the felt in the window track and the door, it has disintegrated. So we're gonna replace it with a piece of, oh shit, where's the rubber seal? With a rubber seal like that, that's really meant for RV windows. Here, there's the dimensions on Amazon. I guess I should probably just take a picture of that. I'll post a picture. It's 7/16 by 7/16. All right, first thing you're gonna do is take off your window crank, which has one of these pins behind the crank. So you're gonna want to pick, and you're gonna struggle for a while and get it off, which I already did. Right, so you're gonna take off the door. What is this called? Latch. Right? Door latch? Okay. You take off the door latch and the door handle with 3 Phillips screws. And then the door handle, you have to be careful. Probably hold the handle on the outside of the door to give yourself some more slack. But there's a tiny, you're not even gonna be able to see that.
I get you.
There's a little plastic retainer that holds the. It's too tight to see anything in there, but now that goes on there. So good luck. Anywho, the rest of this door panel is just held in with like pressed in clips. So give yourself like a body. Give yourself a body tool so you don't scratch your beautiful paint. And you're gonna pop. I don't know. It's probably maybe a dozen of them all around the perimeter. I was close. Okay. And we're just gonna peel this back. And there's literally hello? There's nothing left in that window track where there's supposed to be felt. And it's probably all down there. Can you see that? Oh yeah, look at that. It's all at the bottom. That one, that side too. Here's it. Yep, right there at the bottom. So I guess we're replacing both sides. God damn it, Serge. Alright, so you're gonna take your flocked rubber window seal and try to wedge it in there as high as you can go, down to the bottom of the track. It's not easy, but once it gets in there, you know, it kind of like pops in once you start to get going. Oh, let me cut it to size first. How about that?
It's for a completely unrelated product.
No, it's a universal, and you know what universal means.
Yeah, that's not gonna fit fucking anything.
Yeah. Okay, and on the first attempt, the window works so much smoother now, without screeching. Ignore that. Mint. All in all, that was probably like a 5-minute job, honestly. It took me a little bit longer because I put it in crooked the first time, I'll be honest. But if you put it in straight, it works nice. Okay, bye.